My YouTube channel. This is the Captain Gala. Today is another day that we want to continue with the market analysis. Nowadays, throughout this week, we'll be doing a market analysis on the live market to see if we can learn something from this. Yesterday we did analysis on gold. It is already in the YouTube. The Captain Gala FX, which is my YouTube channel. And today we want to analyze EURUSD. EURUSD and gold, more or less the same. They always move in the same direction. Now this is analysis and the signal which I gave on my VIP channel. I gave it from here. It was a buy from here. When this candle was rejected, this one was shows a rejection of the bearish momentum. Now I want to remove everything. Now we start the analysis very well. Now guys, as I've been telling you that before you start analysis on any market, there are factors you have to consider. I told you first you look at the trend of the market. The second thing, you look at the structure of the market, what the market is forming. And the fourth one, you do what we call top-down analysis. You know what the different time frames is saying about the given pair or the given trading pair. And another thing, you support your analysis with the indicators available. We always use RSI to check whether the market is overbought or oversold. Another thing, we always check on is the we always check on the EMA. Mostly we always check on the 200 EMA, na 50 EMA, na 20 EMA on the 4-hour basis to check the movement and the strength of the market. And without wasting time, yesterday's video was very long. Today we want to make it short because when the video is long, some people will not be watching it. We don't want the video to go past 30 to between 25 to 20 to 30 minutes. That one is enough for a video. Yes, now today this is EURUSD. EURUSD has been upward trending, as you can see. That one is the trend of the market. And what about the structure? I told you yesterday that the structure of the market does not necessarily matter, because what you can see the market is forming is different with what I can see the market is forming. For this market, somebody will say that this market is going to form a cup and handle. A cup and handle, let us say this one. Some people will be saying that, but some people are also seeing in a different perspective. Now the only goal here is to arrive at the correct direction of the market. That one is the most important thing here. To arrive on the correct direction of the market. I gave this signal when the market was in a pullback here. Now, what we always mark, let us identify our zones as usual. I've told you that you come identify your zones. Now, those people saying that the forex is hard and market analysis is hard, there's no analysis which is 100%. Let us find where the market is reacting. This one is our highest point at this place. If you can see, the market is reacting to this place again. Then we because we don't want to a lot of marking in the knee, let us just use a line. Then we can also use a line here. The market is reacting to this place, as you can see. This one is 4 hour. Then we come and mark here. This is analysis which I had already done. Now it is a signal I had already given. You mark this place up to the lowest point of this rejection. As you can see, that's the lowest point of that rejection. This is the lowest point with this rejected candle, which means this market, as you can see, this market has been reacting to this zone, which means this is a very strong zone. You see, then the market got here rejected and the market started moving. And as you can see, there is another zone here. Let me remove it because there's a lot of writing. I want you to take it from me. It is very simple, guys. We are not just going to complicate anything, because if somebody wants to start complicating for you a market, it is when you get confused. With us, as you know very well, the Captain Ngala, there is no exaggeration or no theory in forex. We only do practical, and our practical is very direct, as you can see. As you can see, it is very direct. Yes, now this is what we are having. This is what we are having. We have marked our zones. I think there should be a line here. Now, this market was reacting to this place and it broke. Then retested, is going back. Then I gave this market this signal when the market was here, was on this rejection. Then we were waiting for this market to close at this outside this box with a bearish candle, bullish candle I mean. Then we enter. But some people already entered this market with this rejection, which is not bad, but it is not accurate because you don't know what can happen. Now, the way I drew this market was from here. This one was up to here. Somebody will say that, Ngala, why did you mark this up to here? What we do, we always come here. This is the reason why we have marked this zone from the previous rejection up to the next resistance. You come here, you measure this place. Just measure that move. Hey, sorry guys, drawing is very hard. Now you can come here. Yes, measure that. This one should be moving. Yes, that's the distance which we haven't even measured very well. I think if you measure from here up to here, it is the same as from here up to somewhere here. It is not going to reach there, but it will reach somewhere here. Let me draw a line somewhere here. That one is where we are very sure about. Now, this is what I mean. When the market breaks this place, there is a place where the market is reacting. You can see, as you can see, the market is reacting. We are waiting for this market, this candle to close above this place, because it is remaining some 2 hours for this candle to close. Then we enter a buy up to here. Now, which means our TP1 will be there. TP1 will be here. Sorry. Our TP1 will be here. Then our TP2, sorry, our TP2, our TP2 will be here. That one is sure. Now, I've been always telling you that that only half of that place, only half of that movement is always guaranteed. Somebody will ask me, Ngala, why have you marked TP1 here? This market is reacting to this place, but this place is also the half of this distance from here up to here. You measure half, and if you measure half, I've always told you in other videos, when you measure half, that one is, even when the market has broken to a given place, measure half of that place to the next support or the next resistance, depending on the market movement at that particular time. Now, I've measured half. Half of this is TP1. I've always told you that only TP1 is guaranteed. TP2, it is not that guaranteed. It is just a speculation. But always TP1 is always guaranteed when the market is moving in your direction. As you can see, guys, this is a simple analysis. Now, we have done our analysis on 4-hour time frame. Now we'll be going on 1 month to check whether this market is buying. As you can see, 1 hour this market is buying. Let us go to 1 week. If you see 1 week the market is buying, if you can go to 1 day, 1 day there's a confirmation is a strong buy in the market. If you go to 4 hours where our analysis is, 4 hours is also a strong buy. Yes, 4 hours is also a strong buy, guys. Yes. So 4 hours is also a strong buy. Then there's something I want to put across here. When you do your analysis on a higher time frame, always consider that the previous time frame is just you only confirm them for entries in the market. You confirm whether this market has closed above this, because you can confirm with the lower time frame. If you go to 1 hour, we can confirm 1 hour. It means that in 1 hour this market was already closed above this, which means this market is a buy. Already we have confirmed a buy because that candle has already closed above that place, which means that one is a confirmation that this is a buy, because it has closed with a bullish momentum candle above this place. Now, when you see some structures in the lower time frame, always consider them as noise, because they can't affect, mostly unless there is news, they can't affect on what is on the higher time frame. Now they are always considered as noise. Now some people will be asking, what is this? Today, this is our demand zone, or the support. The market is reacting there, and this one is our highest point, which is our highest resistance, highest point or the supply zone. As you can see, that one is you have to mark your structure. You have to mark your structure very well. And we are confirmed. We have done our analysis. Guys, there is no complication. It is simple as that. We have done this analysis. Now we want to confirm with the we want to confirm with the indicators. As you can see, this market is buying because we could only sell this market when it is oversold. RSI is saying that this market is not overbought. It is still buying because it hasn't reached 70. It is at 64, which means this market is still buying. This shows that our take profit one is guaranteed, as you can confirm. Always RSI, when it reaches 30, which means that market is overbought. When it reaches 70, it means that market is oversold. Is overbought, I mean. When it reaches 30, it means that that market is oversold. Sorry, guys. Then I always come here. I check with my indicator, the 4-hour time frame. Sorry, guys. This is not what I want. $200 EMA. 200 EMA. EMA is just exponential moving average. For those people who don't know, come here because we are in a 4-hour time frame. As you can see, this one with the yellow is the 200 EMA, which shows the direction of the market, and it is showing very well that this market is buying, because we know very well that when the price is above the 200 EMA, we buy, and when the market is below 200 EMA, we sell. That one is a confirmation. As you can see, this market broke 50 EMA, and it also broke 20 EMA and also retested it, which means this market is buying. This is a confirmation that this market will buy. Guys, it is simple as that. Very simple analysis. Let us see if this market will move in our direction. Thank you, guys. That one was my time. I want to appreciate you guys for subscribing. Continue liking and sharing, because we'll have more and more to share with you. Another thing, I have a mentorship program, and my VIP channel for signals is also open. I charge $15 per week, $35. I mean $25 in 2 weeks, $35 a month, and $50 for 6 months. Then I also train people on how to trade forex. That one is the mentorship. I charge for beginners. I charge $25. For intermediate class, I charge $50. For the pro traders, if you want to strategies on trading, I charge 75 USD. You will always reach me on via WhatsApp, which is 0706263333. The payment number for Kenyans is 0791427035. That one is my M-Pesa number. Any number apart from that, that is not me. Thank you, guys. That one was my time. And my advice, always practice forex, because If you don't practice forex on a daily basis with chart analysis, you're not going to learn anything. Even if you learn them from this my YouTube channel, and if you don't practice them on your own, they are not going to help you guys. Now let us have the spirit of learning, and let us embrace forex trading, because forex trading is the future. There's nothing else. If you're in Kenya, you know very well that there are no jobs for you. And forex is making, people are making millions from forex, which you can never get when you are employed, unless you are working in a government parastatal, which is always hard unless you steal. Thank you for guys for supporting me. That one was my time. I am the Captain Gala. Goodbye.